Hello kids, in today's video we will learn the diagraph, or let's have a look at some words. The first one is torn. Now read with me another word, which is sort. Now read with me this word short having diagraph, or now read this word as report. Now read another word which is sword. Have a look at another word with or diagraph which is score. Now read this word as porch. Let's see another one which is normal. Normal has a diagraph or in it. Now read another word which is lord. Let's see a new word with diagraph or which is form. Now read with me another word horn. Let's have a look at a new word with diagraph or read with me this word as corn. Now read cord. All these words have a diagraph or in it. Now read this new word as fork. Now read with me morning. Morning also has a diagraph or now read this word as born. Let's see another word which is border. So we have learnt some words having the diagraph or now for you to understand this diagraph, have a look at some sentences. He is eating a corn. Let's circle the word corn. Read the sentence horn made a sound. Circle the word horn. Now read please close the door when you leave. Circle the word door. So kids, we have learnt the words having diagraph or don't forget to subscribe to my channel.